one of the most horribly unjust laws in an otherwise usually fair country like India, at least when it comes to the laws of the land, is the rent control law. Across the country, there are many properties where legislation has mandated that you cannot evict this tenant and you cannot recover more than a few hundred rupees as rent from this tenant, even if the adjacent property, the exact same size, build and everything else, you are getting a significantly larger sum of money as rent. For example, in Delhi's Connaught Place, one of the most premium commercial spaces in all of Asia, you've got one shop which is paying somewhere about 20 lakh rupees a month as rent, and you've got a shop exactly the same size right adjacent to it where the monthly rent is being paid to the tune of some 300 or 400 rupees. And this is because several years ago, Delhi Rent Control Act was introduced, which put a cap on the amount of rent which can be increased. In what universe can you say that it is fair that a shopkeeper or a person who is occupying a shop like this, it is fair for them to pay 500 rupees a month as rent? And this is the reason why, in fact, that you will see, despite there being very premium showrooms and shops with the best maintenance and the best facilities, you'll find many shops which are completely run down, which are almost burnt to a crisp and about to fall any minute, because the tenant shopkeeper knows that he can be evicted in the future on some legal technicality or the other, and that is why they don't want to spend any money on it either, and they are paying a couple of hundred rupees a month and making lakhs and lakhs of rupees of profit.